Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a video on how to solve any Khan Academy problem or question on here and get the answers for it. So first of all, under the description of this video, you're gonna see two links. One is gonna be called Tampermonkey and one is gonna be called Script. Basically, for the first link, that is gonna be what it is to download the system, which is Tampermonkey, and the second one is the code to run Khan Academy, like the bot. Okay, so we want to click on the first link. You're gonna click go to site and not back to YouTube, and it's gonna show you to install it. As you can see, I've already had it installed here, but basically it's gonna show you the Chrome Web Store, and you're gonna download it. After you download it, you're gonna go here on the top right where the puzzle piece is, and that's gonna show your extensions. So as you can see, it shows, and if you click on it, you'll open it. But we'll not worry about that right now. We'll go back here, and as you can see on the script section, we're gonna click here, and we're gonna click this. We can close this because we don't need it anymore. But click go to site, and this is gonna show you the Tampermonkey script. Only download the second one after you download the first one, because if you don't have Tampermonkey, you can't install the code onto Tampermonkey. So if that makes sense. But go to here and you're gonna click install. As you can see, I've already had it installed, but after you installed it, you can pretty much close this as well. Okay, so now what you want to do is open a new tab, click on the extension, and click on Tampermonkey. You're gonna go to dashboard right here, and it's gonna open up. So as you can see, it runs the Khan Academy bot, but it's not gonna show this immediately. So what you want to do is here, you want to click here, and it's going to tell you to edit the code. As you can see down here on row 6 where it says at match, okay, you want to select from, hold on, just make sure I get it correct, from God, okay, from https to org slash. Make sure the slash is there. Now if you're from the USA, you still want to copy this, but you don't need to change anything. If you're not from the USA, you want to search up Khan Academy, go to the Khan Academy site, and double click on the top right, and then copy whatever is on here, and then make sure there's a slash behind the org. But based on the country you're going from, that's where you want to put the link in here. So you can close this new tab, but if you're from the US, just copy paste this and it should work. Well, no, it shouldn't work, but what I mean is just it should be fine. You don't need to change anything from this part. So after that, you want to click file right here on the top right. Okay, I mean on the top left. I'm stupid, sorry. And you want to click save. After you click saved, you want to go to settings, and it's going to show you the code. You want to go to here, down here to the includes/excludes. It's going to say user includes, and you're going to click down here, and I've already added it, but you basically want to click add, and then basically here what you copied, you're going to want to put add, and then enter a new rule, and you're going to copy paste this onto this. Okay, so after you've done that, you're pretty much done. Yep. And like I said, if you're not from the US, copy over still the same thing, just from your country, and then put it on here. Okay, so you can close this. Let's just open a course. Let's go to Algebra 2, because that's the one I've been testing on. Okay, so let's open, we can continue this one. Okay, let's go to here. Okay, so now as you can see, it shows up the problems. I would recommend you to do this on a mouse. And by the way, just to make this clear, you cannot do this on a phone. You have to do this on a PC or a laptop, because you can only download Monkey, the monkey thing. What was it called again? Tampermonkey. You can only download that on, an actual laptop and a PC system. So what you want to do is, ideally you want to have a mouse, but if you have a trackpad, take your two fingers and double tap the trackpad, because a lot of people get this confused because they don't know how to pop this up. And if you're on a mouse, you want to right click. Okay, so once you right click, you'll click, go down here, and it'll have an inspect option. You want to click on inspect, and it'll show you the system code. You're on elements right now. You want to go one left and click console. For some laptops, it will show all this buggy code, and you realistically don't have to worry about it at all. But I've also seen I've tested some other laptops and they don't have this, but basically you can completely ignore this. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to edit anything. You want to go onto the side scroll bar, or you can scroll like this, but you basically want to go all the way to the top, and it's going to show answer revealer. Okay, it's going to show 0-4, and that's going to be your first option. So the top one will always be the first answer for that. And as you can see, you got it correct. The second one is 34, so I'm just going to click 34, and you've got it correct again. So now it shows two. Well, where are the other answers? So you want to close the system, you want to go to the top bar, you want to refresh it, or you can go here and refresh it, like right here. But I like to do it this way. It's gonna bring you back up to the same question, the same assignment you were working on. You're gonna do this, repeat the same process. Right click or double tap your touch bar on your laptop. You're gonna click inspect, go to console, click scroll all the way up. Okay, and yeah, those are gonna be your answers again. So I think at this moment you can only do two at a time, two problems at a time, but that also helps you, like not get confused, because I feel like it's gonna get a little confusing if you have more than two. But yeah, okay, and then one. And yep, you've got the answers. So this works pretty well, and it's pretty conspicuous. It's easy to hide. It doesn't pop up the extension only when you click there. And when you click, you can always delete this, and you can always enable or disable on the Khan Academy bot right here. But as you can see right now, it's enabled. It works pretty well. Nobody's been really caught with this. I would just recommend you to use this safely. I'm not responsible for the way you use it. I'm just here to share to you the method on how to get the answers. But yeah, like I said, these will be in the description. This method works pretty well. On some multiple choice questions, it's a little bit confusing, but try to find a pattern on how, because specific courses, I'm on Algebra 2, but let's say if you go to US history or biology or something like that, it'll probably be a little bit different, but I'll try to figure out a pattern, look at the answers and then tell, oh, maybe this one, it mixes up the order or something like that. But after you figure that out, it should work pretty fine. There should be no issues. If you have any questions, answer that. I'll answer that, in the under the comments and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and bye. Yep.